To set Play Store to install or download apps over Wi-Fi only on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to set the app download preferences to over Wi-Fi only. To do so, open Play Store. Tap your profile icon at the top right and then select Setting. Tap Network Preferences. Tap App Download Preference. Select Over Wi-Fi Only. And then tap OK button to save the change. By choosing this setting, now you can only download apps from the Play Store when you are connected to a Wi-Fi network. When you try to download the app while your phone is not connected to a Wi-Fi network, you will be notified that the downloading app is waiting for Wi-Fi connection, and data charge may apply if you continue downloading the app now. Okay, thank you for watching. Please have to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.